Were you able to get a hold of the attorney?
Nope, can't do it until we get a hold of get the membership to vote on it.
Well, we've already voted to do this. We're trying to vote to undo it. We voted to do this. You were at the last meeting with the attorney. You heard what he said and what the, that's part of the process.
We lost the case. So to sit there and spend all this extra money.
What did the attorney tell you, John? Did you lose the case or did the judge appeal?
He
tell the
wants
truth
to
now.
appeal it, but
Okay.
it's going to cost us a lot more money.
Not a lot more. Why does he want to appeal it, John?
Because we lost.
The people, no, not because we've lost.
Well,
because of the
that's your
misinformation.
opinion.
No.
But
You
what
were
I
at
got
the
on
meeting,
paperwork
and
says
so was Kim.
we
So was
lost.
Kim at the meeting. You
It
can
was
make it
after.
sound like it's over and that's all we do. We still have one more spot.
We didn't say
we
that.
didn't say
To sit
But
there, yes, he did. I was
before
there,
we spend
Kim,
more
or
money,
Joan.
We want the membership to say, okay,
Okay, we're going to finish what we already voted on.
no.
See, that's the problem we have, John, is the board dictates what we do.
That's your opinion.
Did you
So
pay what we
stop.
already owed the attorney?
What?
Did you already pay what we already owed the
Everything was
attorney?
paid
Up to date.
until this next
Up to date.
10,000 that he's talking about.
It's only five.
So-
5 was what we owed him, and 5 was for the retainer. Not 10,000 is what we owed him.
Can I say something, John?
Hold on.
But
It's $300 to file an appeal. That's what
you're
cracks
talking millions. We're losing over 150,000
We're
a
not losing
quarter,
anything,
John. Are you kidding me?
me. We've already lost it.
Okay,
But
we
this-
have a.
hold on.
That's a lot of.
No,
That's peanuts
this
compared to how
is for
much
the
we're missing.
membership. This isn't for us. This is a.
No,
board
correct. This is we're bringing up old business for the membership.
It's
I'm
already on
writing it
there.
down.
It's on there, slated for them to talk.
So we're going to bring the attorney to discuss it with the people so they can know the
Until
truth.
membership says so. I'm not putting my line on the line or this board
You're
for 10,000, another $350.
you're talking
an hour.
over 2, 3 million, 4. You're talking a lot of money missing,
What are you
John.
talking about?
You're talking over
But-
150,000 a quarter missing, and you're
regardless.
saying that's it.
It's coming up. I didn't say.
So
that's
let's
it.
finish it to
Stop
the
putting
end.
words- No,
Let's-
stop.
what the-
Right there. You're putting words in my mouth and saying things that aren't true.
You're putting words.
So-
in, you know.
When it comes to the membership, at the membership meeting.
But we need to be
we'll go
honest
from
with
there.
them what the meeting was about. We need to be honest to about the appeal and about the process. You're making it sound like we're going to spend an extra $5,000. Oh my God, it's the end of the world. Every quarter we're losing over $150,000, John. We are losing that right now. Once this, once the host fee is done and the contract comes up for the landfill, the county can stop our host fee
That's
at any
opinion.
time. Our endowment was something the county could not touch. So you trying to make it sound like it's over, we've lost. We have a right to know, how did Ken lose it? How did you lose it? Where did it go? Why did it stop?
Kim lose it? Stop doing
Ken
it.
was the president,
Because you're
you are the
blaming people.
president. Well, you guys are
You're
in
blaming
charge.
people.
You're
It's
absolutely
not
right.
true.
You're absolutely
The county
right.
took it.
No. County has no right to take a private contract, John. That was already clarified with the attorney.
It's done.
No, it's not done.
It's done.
It may be done as far as you guys trying to cover up and not
This
wanting to tell us what the truth
discussion
is.
done.
It's not going to be done, John, because
it's
we're
not
missing over
done overall,
150,000
but
a
it's going
quarter.
to the membership.
Well, be honest with the membership. You can't,
That's it. The
well,
membership runs
yes,
this,
you bring it
not
to,
us.
exactly. And you need to go by that,
So-
John. You don't sit there and tell us what we
I was
can't.
just going to make a comment that we paid the lawyer to pursue this for an outcome. Whether win, lose, right? Everybody agree with that? Yeah. We lost.
No, we didn't lose.
So that,
Why don't you ask
yes,
the-
we did.
That's not how the process works.
Are you a
Well, ignorant, absolutely. I've been doing this, I've been going to the attorney meetings. I went to the last meeting. Okay, we'll put the video out. You'll see.
John Bond, 5205 Fair Avenue.
We'll see.
That's
got
what's killing us. It's
a
all
letter.
No. What's killing us is
We
you
got
not
a
being
letter
honest.
From the attorney, we got the report from the judge, where the judge denied our case. He closed it out. We
That's not
got
true.
paper
That's
from
not
the attorney with a bill filing for an appeal of $10,000. We have that bill right now. That has to come to the membership.
5,000 we already owe.
10,000 is what the bill says, Rich. 10,000. You're not on the board. We've all seen.
You were not at the last meeting with the attorney.
I was.
So
I've
be
been at every
honest with the
meeting.
people.
This is
We
all
are.
happened after.
We are being honest. That's what
You and Kim sitting there
that's
making
what
up
the
stuff?
bill says.
That's it.
Can't you understand what
No,
the
I
bill
don't
says?
understand. I don't
Well,
understand
what do
why
want
you
to
want to
see
keep.
the bill?
Are you afraid of the truth?
No.
Are you afraid of the truth?
We have the paper
Well, then let's
paperwork.
get the truth. Don't
We
be afraid
have
of the
the
truth.
paperwork.
Hey,
That's it.
You're afraid of the truth. Because we have the paperwork. Keep
That's
this money too.
$150,000 a
I don't
quarter.
care.
that's a lot of money that you lost, that the board
None of
has
us
lost.
lost it.
Well, it was the two presidents that
The
should have took
county.
active.
The county did it.
The county has no right to
Yeah,
take
they
private
did.
contracts, and you know well,
Okay.
They did.
well, they can't do that, and
You got anything?
that's already been
No, I
proven.
don't have nothing else.